Hello guys, today we are discuss about aptitude. We are discuss under this meaning concept, type of aptitude, uses, individual difference and variability. So meaning aptitude is the capacity of achieve along spatial skill. It is a spatial tendency, benefitness or aptness due to a spatial, neural or muscular organization caused by the individual which sets him apart as being superior to average in performance in a particular activity. Now, the concept of aptitude. An important reason for this individual difference in their aptitude is because of their inherited capacity, talent, or ability to do something. Aptitudes are natural talents or special ability for doing or learning to do some certain kind of things easily and quickly. Aptitude are highly specific. That means an individual may aptitude for particular skill but not for a few others. For example, a nurse candidate may have higher degree of aptitude for being rude at clinical works done for the patients but have little aptitude for being a teacher in a college or school. And now, type of aptitudes. Psychologists have developed tests for assessment of aptitude, especially among individuals, by the use of which people may be selected or trained in a specific skill with minimum training only. There are different types of aptitudes. They are following. Number 1, scholastic aptitude. It is related to academic success. There are some tests available for assessment of scholastic aptitude. Example, Graduate Record Test (GRT) for the students willing to pursue studies, science, arts, engineering, economic, nursing, psychology, etc. Number 2, mechanical aptitude. Mechanical aptitude is the capacity to impart information about mechanical matters. It is a combination of sensory and motor capacity, perception of spatial relationship. Number 3, clerical aptitude. Most clerical aptitude tests attempt of measure a variety of specific operations like matching, spelling, reading, comprehension, perceptual speeds, and accuracy. Nursing aptitude varies tests, whereas Number 4, nursing aptitude. Various tests were also designed to determine the nursing aptitude, which consist of items like common sense, practical judgment in nursing situation, general scientific vocabulary, ability to benefit by the study of anatomical diagram, etc. The assessment for nursing potential is used to select students for admission into upper nursing division, which consists of 3 status. Number 1, nursing attitudinal inventory, used to assess the trait essential for nursing profession. B, aptitude tests that measure the innate based learned abilities. C, achievement test measuring what have been learned in the previous nursing course. That means lower level nursing course. So now, uses of aptitude. Aptitude tests are used in vocational selection and guidance. Number 2, they are used by counselors to help assess the aptitude of different type of work. Number 3, aptitude tests are used by employees to select the employee for various job placement. Number 4, aptitude tests are used to predict scholastic success. Number 5, they are able to provide a profile of strength and readiness. Individual difference and variability. Variability or division for among the members of a group in respect to the mental and physical characteristic occurring in an individual member of a group is known as individual difference or variation. The psychology of individual difference (ER) is largely the study of group difference. This study classifies individuals by age, traits, sex, race, social class, and so on. They observe the difference within and in between this group. Physical, mental, social, and cultural difference are being studied under individual difference. Type of difference. Number 1, physical difference. Shortness or tallness or stature, darkness or fairness or skin complication. Fatness or thinnness or weakness are some of the physical variability found in different individuals. Number 2, difference in the intelligence. Individuals are different in the level of intelligence, which can be classified as the individual form of individual from supernormal to idiot on the basis of their intelligence level. Difference in attitude. Individual difference in attitude towards different people, upset in situations and authority are being taken into account for each studies. Number 4, difference in interest. Factors such as sex, family background, level of development, difference of race and nationality, etc., causes individual difference in interest. Personality. There are difference of respect of personality. On the basis of difference in personality, individuals have been classified into many groups. Therefore, the result of personality difference focus in different type of personality.